So this is the demo video to show how we will be using the scopes for this Dropcontact add-on. So the add-on, the Google Workspace add-on for Dropcontact will be used only in the setting of Google Sheets. Once it's installed, the user will be able to see it in the right-hand panel. Then the user will have to grant permissions. It will open these in a pop-up. So here you see the pop-up. The user will have to sign in to give permissions from one of their certain Google accounts. Then the pop-up says, by continuing, Google will share your name, email, address, and profile picture with Dropcontact. You can see Dropcontact's privacy policy. So you can open it here, their privacy policy. And terms of service, that will open us also in a new tab. So I'll go back to the Google Sheets and the pop-up. You can manage sign-in with Google in your Google account. The user will click continue, and then the scopes will appear. So the user must allow Dropcontact to view and manage spreadsheets that this application has been installed in. So that's the spreadsheet's current only scope. Connect to an external service, so it would connect to Dropcontact's API, and allow this application to run when you are not present. So that is because we would be receiving a webhook from Dropcontact when the results are ready, and so the app script will continue to run to save this data to the cache. The first scope, view and manage spreadsheets, is because this add-on will be reading the user's sheet where the add-on is installed to get the data, send it to the Dropcontact API, and then once it has the results from the webhook, it will complete the sheet with the enriched data. So the user must allow these scopes. Again, the user can inform themselves on Dropcontact's privacy policy, terms of service, etc. So I will allow. Once it's allowed, the add-on will appear. So the user, to use this add-on, the add-on Dropcontact service is to enrich professional data. So for example, the user would create a sheet with headers, company name, and fill out some information, whatever information they have. For example, Dropcontact for the company, and the name would be Denis Cohen, who is the CEO of Dropcontact. And then, of course, I've already done this, but first the user would have to connect the account. So get the API key from Dropcontact, enter the API key. They can see it or hide it, edit it, and then they will be able to launch the enrichment. So here, the add-on is reading the user sheet, getting this data, sending it to Dropcontact, the Dropcontact's API, and now we are waiting for the webhook to be sent back with the results. Either this will happen in the 30 seconds that the add-on has to process this launch, or the user will have to load results to get them. So we have not got them in time. We already wrote to the Google Sheet the headers and formatted them with the colors, but we do not have the results yet. So waiting for the webhook, the user will have to click load more results, and again, for the 30 seconds that this add-on can run, we will be seeing if we have this data available. Once the data is available, it will write to this sheet and fill it out. I'm just going to check if we have gotten the webhook yet. I don't see any yet. So there was a pop-up here before which says that the enrichment can take between 30 seconds and a couple of minutes. This of course depends on Dropcontact's API and how fast it is processing the results. how many requests it's getting at a given moment. So it seems that at this time it's taking a little longer. Let's see if we're not getting it in the next minute or so at the maximum. I'll load more results to see, but I do not see the webhook coming in yet. So again, to iterate, we are using the spreadsheet's current only scope to read the sheet where the user is using this add-on. We are also using it to write to the sheet where the user is using this add-on. We are using the external request scope to use Dropcontact's API, and we're using the last scope, which is this script app scope, the script app scope, so that the script app can continue to run and get the webhook data. So we still don't have the data. I'm sorry, it seems to be taking some time. Do one more load, more results. Okay, I finally got the webhooks. I see them. So load more results. It will see the webhooks and it will complete the sheet. There it is, all the data. And that's it. Thank you for watching.